Hey, I'm Dionysios from buycompanyname.com. Before I start with today's video, I would like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, or use some of my affiliate links that you will find in the video description, of course if you enjoy the content. Okay, let's start. I have already signed in for my GoDaddy account. I need to find out my domains list. I click here up right and I can click manage domains, or my products, scroll down and choose manage all. For now I will click manage domains. Then here on the top you will see a section buy and sell. I click GoDaddy auctions listings. They will ask me to sign in. An alternative, even faster way to land in GoDaddy auctions is just type auctions.godaddy.com and voila. Okay, now let's say that I want to list a domain. I will click selling list a domain. I will type my domain twice, here backbone.me, and same here to confirm my domain. You can actually list almost all the domain names, extensions, but there are some exceptions. For example, I couldn't find the Indian domain extensions like .co.in or .in. There are also some other limitations. For example, you can't list domains that expire within the next 90 days, inactive domain names, or internationalized domain names. Let's see the listing types. But before that, I forgot something important. Before we list our domain, we need to be sure that we have provided GoDaddy with our payment details in terms of where we will withdraw our money. Click here up right settings, and on the tab payment you need to add your payment type, where your money goes. Okay, you can see what you need to complete: address, payment method, some tax forms if you are a USA citizen. Let's go back to my auctions, and now that we have some payment type, we want to continue with our listing. Okay, let's explain the different listing types. Offer counter offer means that you are open to an offer. Of course, you can set the minimum that you will accept, and then you have three options. You can counter offer. For example, someone might offer $50 and you can accept it and sell the domain. You can suggest some other amount. For example, someone can offer $50, you counter offer with $100. Or the third option is someone that offers, for example, an amount and you don't respond, but you can choose to push that domain to a 7 days public auction, and the starting offer is the one from the initial buyer. So this is an option too. Let's go the other option, offer counter offer. The only difference here is that if someone offers your buy now price, they will buy the domain. Buy now only, it means that someone can only buy the domain immediately and you do not negotiate the price. And 7 day public auction is an auction where you can set a starting bid amount, and whoever bids the higher amount in the end of those 7 days wins. You can also add a reserve price. That means that your domain will not be sold under that price. For example, if someone offers $100, the domain will not be sold. Here you can find some other details. You can mention if you sell just the domain or you have a content too and you have a developed site. You can write some description, you can choose some category, you need to pay for additional ones. You can also increase your visibility by offering a domain in a homepage feature or for a specific category. Here, of course, you pick your payment profile, and after those details, you click that you agree to the terms and conditions and click finish. I didn't pick category. Okay, I should receive now an email. Let's see. It takes some time. Oh, what mistake I did. You can actually sell also domains from another registrars, but in that case you need to add a TXT record. Here by mistake I did put the wrong domain extension. You see that it takes 72 hours for the leads to become active, but for some reason by mistake I add backbone.com that I don't know, so I will not be able to list that domain. Let's see, now I have the correct one. Let's choose a category, payment profile, finish. You see that backbone.me is pending. I don't know backbone.com, that was by mistake, so it will never be live because I will not be able to add a TXT record. But since backbone.me is already in GoDaddy and it is in my account, it will be verified. Okay, I received the message. This is how it looks after the domain name is listed successfully and approved by GoDaddy. I can search it also on auctions.godaddy.com and I can see some more details. This is how the selling page for the specific domain looks like. That's all from me. Leave a comment if something doesn't work out for you or you might have some question about GoDaddy auctions. Bye!